Welcome back, friends. Today, we're peeling back the layers to uncover the inner workings of an industry that's as old as civilization itself. From its humble beginnings in ancient Mesopotamia to the digital-driven era we navigate today, banking has continually evolved, shaping economies and societies along its journey. In this enlightening dive, we'll explore how banks operate, their historical milestones, and the pivotal role they play in our financial system, all while reassuring you of our robust standing amidst financial fluctuations. Be sure to hit subscribe and join us as we unfold the secrets behind the banking sector, an odyssey through time that reveals the foundation upon which our economic prosperity is built. The story of banking is as ancient as civilization itself, tracing back to Mesopotamia, where the initial seeds of lending and borrowing were sown. Banking evolved through the ages, from the temples and palaces of ancient empires serving as the earliest financial institutions to the sophisticated banking systems of the Roman Empire. The Middle Ages saw a decline in banking activity in Western Europe, but saw continuance in the Byzantine Empire and Islamic regions. The Renaissance period, particularly in Italy, marked a significant advance in banking with the development of double-entry bookkeeping by the Medici family. The Industrial Revolution heralded a new era for banking, increasing the demand for financial services and giving rise to joint stock banks. This period also saw the establishment of central banks, like the Bank of England, which played a pivotal role in stabilizing and regulating banking systems. The 20th century was marked by significant developments, including the adoption and eventual collapse of the gold standard, which was a system where the value of currency was pegged directly to gold. This era also saw the rise of regulatory bodies aimed at ensuring financial stability and protecting depositors. The gold standard, which once dictated the value of currency based on a fixed amount of gold, eventually gave way due to its inherent limitations, particularly its inability to provide liquidity during economic downturns. The collapse of the gold standard led to the modern banking system characterized by fractional reserve banking, where banks hold only a fraction of deposits in reserve, using the rest for lending and investment. Retail banks, serving individual and small business customers, offer a variety of services from savings accounts to personal loans. Commercial banks cater to business clients, providing loans, treasury management, and trade finance services. Investment banks specialize in capital markets activities, offering advice on mergers and acquisitions, underwriting securities, and asset management. Central banks, distinct from the others, regulate the nation's money supply and monetary policy, ensuring the stability of the financial system. Banking, despite its evolution, remains a cornerstone of economic activity, facilitating growth and innovation. Yet, it's not without its challenges, such as the risks of bank runs, inflation, and excessive risk-taking, which have been highlighted by financial crises across history. The future of banking is poised for further transformation with the advent of digital currencies and online banking, raising questions about the role of traditional banking institutions in a rapidly changing financial landscape. With this comprehensive overview, we aim to demystify the banking sector's complex workings, from its historical roots to its modern-day operations and challenges. By understanding the foundational elements of banking, we're better equipped to navigate the financial world, anticipate changes, and make informed decisions. As we ponder the future of banking, it's an invitation to envision how innovation and regulation will shape this critical industry in the years to come. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of finance.